In this video, we're going to show you how to install the EGR valve vacuum modulator on your Ford Mustang, located in the top front side of your engine. We're going to use a 1/2-inch socket. We're going to go ahead and loosen the nut on the terminal here. And go ahead and give this a little wiggle. Now we did spray this down with some penetrant here to go ahead and loosen things up. Wiggle that terminal off and just set that down aside. And with your hood open, you're going to go ahead and locate the vacuum modulator. It's right here, just to the left of your EGR valve. You want to go ahead and disconnect the electrical connector on the top here. Push down on the tab and pull that connector off. Go ahead and tuck that aside. On the bottom side, there's going to be vacuum hoses here. And there are 2 ports on the bottom. You want to go ahead and grab this here and gently wiggle it back and forth. Sometimes that can be stuck, so you can use some pliers or something to get behind the back side and just wiggle that free. In our case here, we're going to use some hose pliers here, and you want to go right behind and gently give that a little wiggle and loosen that up. Now you can do that on the top as well as the bottom. You want to be careful. You don't want to break off the ports in the vacuum tubes. There we go. Pop that off and set that aside. Now just to the left side of it right here is going to be an 8mm nut. Let's go ahead, loosen and remove that. Now we're going to be reusing this nut, so you want to be careful not to drop it and lose it down in the engine compartment somewhere. Once you have that nut off there, we'll set that aside. Now on the other side here, there is just a hook where you're going to slide this off and swing it off of this little tab right here. Now simply take the new part, you're going to line up that unit, put it into it, and slide that over and into place. Super simple. Go ahead and get that nut installed over here. Now this does have a metal sleeve in it, so we don't have to worry about crushing the plastic when we go to snug this down, but you don't want to over tighten it either. Once that nut bottoms out, just give it a little bit more, just snug it in, give that a little wiggle, make sure that that is good and secure, and reinstall your vacuum tubes here. Line those up, push that on, go ahead and grab that electrical connector, line it up. Get your connector lined up, push it on. You're going to feel it and hear it snap into place. At that point there, we can go ahead and connect our ground terminal on our battery. Hook that up. And you want to use your ratchet to go ahead and snug these down in a position. You want to go ahead and snug that down gently. Now you don't want to over tighten these here. You want to get that snug, grab that terminal, give that a wiggle. Make sure that doesn't spin on there, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.